Place a wet wipe in the sink. You probably didn't think it could be used this way. Lay the wet wipe over the drain. It will slow down any food scraps from going into the drain. Pour the rest of your unfinished coffee onto it. The wipe will let all the liquid pass through while holding back the grounds. Now all you need to do is lift the wipe, wring it out, and throw it away. This trick will help you avoid a clogged drain for good. Put a plastic grocery bag into the sink. You won't have to call a plumber. Just a regular plastic bag, and the drain will be clear. If an unpleasant odor emanates from the sink and you hear gurgling in the pipes, apply this method as soon as possible. Remove the strainer from the sink. First, pour some dish soap. The soap removes grease that accumulates in the drain. There's always a lot of it in the kitchen sink. If you're using this method for the first time, pour quite a bit. There's definitely a lot of grease stuck to the walls of the pipes. Now we'll use a secret white powder. Pour about 4 tablespoons into the sink. Time for the third ingredient. It's vinegar. Just pour about 200 milliliters into the drain. Immediately, a reaction will occur between the vinegar and the white powder, and foam will quickly start to form. You probably already guessed that the white powder was baking soda. Now it's time to use the plastic bag trick. Take the bag and insert it into the drain. Try to plug the sink. You can press down on the bag with a bottle of vinegar or another liquid. If you've done it correctly, foam will also start to come out through that small hole. That's the air vent. When foam stops coming out, unplug the sink and see what happens. If foam starts coming out of the sink again, plug it again for a longer time. Usually, it takes about half an hour for the mixture to clean the sink. Only when everything starts to flow into the sink can you turn on hot water and flush the sink thoroughly. Hot water will remove all the residue that the soda, liquid, and vinegar broke down. If you take care of the sink like this once a month or every 2 months, you'll never have to call a plumber. Drop an egg into the sink. It's a cheap method that works better than store-bought cleaners. Everyday products can turn into something surprisingly powerful. Grab a medium-sized bowl and crack 1 egg into it. Use a spoon to separate the egg white from the yolk. For this trick, you'll only need the white. Once separated, add a few tablespoons of dish soap to the bowl. Dish soap contains surfactants that break down grease and lift away dirt. Mix thoroughly until the mixture is smooth and slightly foamy. Pour it directly into the sink. This unusual combination works thanks to the natural properties of egg white and the cleaning agents in the soap. Now add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. It effectively dissolves grease and buildup. Next, pour in about half a cup of vinegar, which acts as a natural solvent. Finish with about 1 cup of hot water to activate the solution faster. Wait a few minutes, then watch the sink clean itself. This home trick not only gets rid of stubborn grime, but also repels pests and helps keep your kitchen fresh and clean. 1 handful of rice saves me time cleaning the toilet. Start by pouring raw rice into a small bowl. Add a few drops of your favorite essential oil on top to give it a long-lasting scent. Place the bowl in your bathroom. Rice naturally absorbs moisture, making it perfect for damp, musty spaces like bathrooms. This clever trick isn't just for the toilet. You can place the scented bowl on a table, nightstand, windowsill, in a closet, or anywhere around your home. The combination of rice and essential oil works effectively for a long time and also looks nice. Just refresh the oil every few days. And that's it. A bad smell coming from the kitchen sink is a common issue. To get rid of food residue stuck in the pipes, start by removing the strainer and clearing out any visible waste. Then drop a dishwasher tablet into the drain. Boil water in a kettle and slowly pour it over the tablet to help it dissolve and flow into the pipes. You'll notice a clean scent almost immediately. Once the tablet is fully dissolved, wipe the drain with a sponge. It'll be clean, shiny, and your kitchen will smell fresh throughout. Take a tampon and thoroughly soak it with floor cleaner. Open the toilet and prepare a piece of tape. Place the tampon on the rim of the toilet bowl and secure it with the tape. Its absorbent structure holds the scent for a long time and releases it gradually. This way, every time you open the toilet, a fresh, pleasant fragrance will rise, and you won't feel embarrassed by unpleasant bathroom odors anymore. Drop them into your bathroom sink, but also toss a few of these cubes into your kitchen drain. Once you learn this trick, you'll stop buying expensive and harsh chemical cleaners. Take 2 limes and cut them in half. Make sure they're juicy. Then slice each half into smaller pieces and toss them into a blender. Add enough water to completely cover the lime pieces. Add 2 teaspoons of salt and blend everything thoroughly. Now strain the mixture using a fine sieve. Use a teaspoon to press out all the pulp. To the strained liquid, add 1 tablespoon of dish soap and about 100 milliliters of water. Mix it well. That's your cleaning solution. Grab an ice cube tray and pour the mixture into each compartment. Cover the tray with plastic wrap to protect the contents, and place it in the freezer. Once frozen, remove the plastic and pop out the cubes. And you're done. Just drop one of these cubes into the sink and run some water. Fresh, clean scents will rise from the drain. They also work great in the toilet. Perfect for freshening up your bathroom in seconds. No effort needed. Stick a zip tie into the sink and you won't believe the results. You'll be surprised how well this simple trick works. You'll never have this problem again. A regular zip tie turns out to be incredibly useful, and you probably have one at home. You'll also need a pair of scissors. Make a few angled cuts along the sides of the zip tie. Don't cut through it. Just notch it diagonally like I'm showing here. Do this on both sides. Many people deal with slow drains in the sink or shower, usually caused by hair buildup. But with this trick, you won't need to call a plumber to unclog the drain. Just insert the modified zip tie into the drain, move it around a bit, and all the hair inside will get caught on the notches. Then just pull it out, toss it along with the zip tie, and you're done. The drain is clear, no plumber needed, and whenever it clogs again, you can quickly make a new zip tie tool in seconds. Clean your sink without using chemicals. You only need ingredients that you already have in your kitchen. Sinks often accumulate stubborn residue and limescale, but this simple homemade method will make yours look brand new. The first ingredient is vinegar. It effectively dissolves limescale, grease, and bacteria. Pour it all over the sink to target every dirty spot. Next, take baking soda and sprinkle it generously over the surface. When combined with vinegar, it creates a chemical reaction that lifts dirt, neutralizes odors, and refreshes the sink. Let this mixture sit for about 15 minutes. Then rinse everything thoroughly with water, removing any foam and remaining residue. Your sink will shine, free from buildup and unpleasant smells. And the best part? No need for expensive store-bought cleaners. Vinegar and baking soda are a powerful duo that you should always have on hand.